In this video, you will learn how to transfer playlist from Spotify to Audiomack. Use a playlist transfer tool. Go to a music transfer service such as Sounders, Tune Music or Free Your Music. These tools help you move playlists between different platforms. Connect to your Spotify account, sign into transfer tool and link your Spotify account. Authorize the app to access your playlist. Choose the playlist you want to transfer. Select the specific playlist you want to move from Spotify. Select Audiomack as the destination. Log in or sign up to Audiomack within the transfer tool. Make sure your Audiomack account is active and linked. Start the transfer process. Confirm and begin the transfer. The tool will match songs from Spotify to their Audiomack versions. Check your Audiomack library. Once the transfer is complete, open Audiomack and confirm the playlist has been added correctly. Some songs may not be transferred if they are unavailable. Now you know how to transfer playlists from Spotify to Audiomack. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.